So this is the unboxing of the RockBirds camcorder, and then we'll look at the settings and some video footage. And so you get a user manual, battery, some cables, charging cable, some more cables, adapter, and a case. And the camcorder. Now we're gonna look at the camcorder. There's the where you can zoom in and out. Here's more options. There's where the speaker is. So the flips. Yeah, your menu, play, your left, right, up button, and OK button. Yeah, so I have your display, Wi-Fi, SD card, and power. Here's another port, charging, AUX. Right there at the bottom is where you put the SD card. Has little holes so you could put in a tripod. So here we're going to go through the video settings. So it has movie size, video quality, seamless. So you just scroll down, press the down button. White balance. Metering. And effect. You can do black, white. You can do different types of effects. Okay, so here we have the regular settings. So you have the sound, you can adjust different settings. Auto review. Yeah, power frequency, keep it at 60, that's US standard. Power safe. You have your date and time. Language, so it has all the different languages. TV out, so it has NTSC. Format, make sure to format your card before you start recording. So in the top right it's light room, bottom left is the dark room, no light, and then the bottom right is dark room with camcorder light. If you like this, please subscribe and like.